Welcome to Open-Sided MRI. At Open-Sided MRI, we take pride in delivering you with top quality MRI imaging, outstanding customer service, and low pricing. Every time. At Open-Sided MRI, you are treated as family by our professional staff. Come relax in our open MRI system. For the highest degree of patient comfort, we use the FDA-approved Eris MRI system, which features the open-sided technology, minimizing anxieties and claustrophobia. A registered technologist will work with you to get the best images possible for your physician. After your exam, our staff will prepare a CD with your images on it for your physician to review. A board-certified radiologist will read the images and issue a report within 24 hours of the completed exam. Visit our website at www.osmri.com. There, you can request a quote or an appointment for your MRI exam. You can also complete your paperwork prior to your appointment to save some time. You have the choice of where to have your MRI exam done. Save yourself time and money by experiencing Open-Sided MRI.